Audio Jungle.
So VFDs, inverters, we hear them called different things. We're going to dive a little bit into those and kind of explain how those work. So a variable frequency drive, or VFD, manages the speed of an electric motor by adjusting the frequency, or the hertz, and the voltage of the power supplied to it. It provides precise speed regulation, improved energy efficiency, and better process control of your machines. So, how a VFD works, step by step process. A variable frequency drive converts incoming AC power to DC power, smooths it, and then transforms it back into AC with adjustable frequency and voltage. This is the process that allows the precise control over the motor speed. So, to break it down, your AC is changed to DC. So, incoming single or three phase AC power is converted to DC. Then capacitors stabilize and clean that DC power. And then that DC power is converted back into AC, allowing for adjustable frequency and voltage as needed. So the lower the frequency, the slower the motor spins. The higher the frequency, the faster that motor is going to go. So you can think of it like a car. Your motor is the engine. The VFD is your gas pedal and transmission all in one. Instead of running full blast all the time, the VFD allows you to speed up, slow down, or maintain a steady motor speed as needed. Some of the benefits of VFDs are saving energy by ensuring that the motor only works as hard as needed to perform its function. It provides a smooth start and stop, which reduces wear and tear on your motors. Again, allows precise control of both torque and speed, and enables operation of three-phase motors on single-phase power, which of course is perfect for laundromats. So in the laundromat, the VFD will let the washer ramp up slowly to speed instead of jerking to full power, and adjust for wash versus extract cycles, which run at different RPMs, of